My hook and hold strategy gets me go viral every single week on LinkedIn, and this is something that you can also copy paste and go viral every single week. So first of all, I'm gonna talk about only 5 hooks in this video that works perfectly well for everyone in any industry, in any niche on LinkedIn. Number 1 hook is statistical hook. You have to talk about some statistics, facts or numbers, because when you are talking this, लोगों को लगता है कि आपकी बात बहुत सही है, और जब आप वो सोर्स लिख दो वहां पर कि किसने कहा कुछ पर्टिकुलर स्टैटिस्टिक्स, फोर्ब्स ने या स्टैटिस्टिकल डेटा ने, वो जो डेटा आप लेके आ रहे हो न्यूमेरिक नंबर्स में, स्टैट्स में, फैक्ट्स में, वो कहाँ से आ रहा है, उसका ओरिजिनल सोर्स क्या है, आप उसको बताओगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मैंने बोला Forbes told these 4 pillars of content creation. Everybody wants to learn what Forbes is telling you, right? This is how you can use statistical hooks that can help you go viral. Number 2, storytelling hook. Now here you need to make sure that you're starting with something very exciting which is unexpected. For example, this week I woke up as professor. Why? Because I got another job. I am now a professor at a college, institute or something. So how I am writing it, how you are drafting it is going to make a lot of sense. Now you could have said कि this I am happy to announce that I have opted this job or something. नहीं, हम उसको थोड़ा सा different way में story telling करके बोलेंगे, right? Next is problem solution hook, and this is the best hook I've ever found on LinkedIn. You have to address a problem of your target audience in your industry or your niche, and then give solution in the second hook. This is how you attract not just your target audience but also the masses, because everybody would be suffering from some problems in your niche and they would love to hear what is your take on that particular problem. Now the next hook is working super well on LinkedIn is teaser hook. In teaser hook, what happens is hint at something exciting or unexpected. For example, मैं अपनी post start करती हूँ. If you want to be 100x productive, use my 3 productive formulas. और अब इसमें क्या किया मैंने बिल्कुल ये बता दिया कि what this post is going to be about. This is a kind of teaser hook, and this works super well not only on Reels but also on LinkedIn. So use this one, because I have used this for many clients and myself. It has always worked. Now the next and final hook that works on LinkedIn is challenge hook. You can challenge somebody's point of view or their assumptions or their beliefs. Okay, so you say like, you will never grow if you don't do this. You will never do business on LinkedIn if you make these mistakes. Something like you're challenging them and they feel like no I can. Okay, let's read. तो इस तरीके से आपका क्या होता है ना, dwell time बढ़ता है, and when your dwell time is increased, you are doing super well on LinkedIn. In fact, if you want to learn more about dwell time, make sure you are checking out this video, because this will help you to win on dwell time and go viral on LinkedIn. Now, after I told you hook strategy, I want to tell you what is the hold strategy and how has it been working for me. So, the H stands for high quality content. Look, it's important to understand that when you want to hold the attention of people, you have got a good hook. After hook is good, people need more valuable information, which is why your high quality content plays a vital role. Once you are done with high quality content, that okay, this is how I can help. If somebody reading my post, they will gain a lot of value. Now this is the science. Now let's come to the art, which is O, is originality. When you are writing your post or you're getting your post written by somebody, you need to make sure that the originality is there. For example, if you're writing content using AI 100%, then it is not going to be original content, right? Because that is searchable. Okay, so on LinkedIn, something that is already available never works. If you are trying to go viral on LinkedIn in 2025, you need to make sure that you are using this originality formula. Make sure, even if you want to use ChatGPT, give your point of views related to that particular topic you're making post about, and then post, right? And then L stands for listically long post. Look, लॉन्ग पोस्ट वर्क ऑन लिंक्डइन, एवरीबडी नोज, बट लॉन्ग पोस्ट में कितना लिस्टिकल फॉर्मेट्स में आपने लिखा है वो बहुत ब्यूटीफुली प्रेजेंट करता है. फॉर्मेटिंग इज गुड, बट इफ अगर आप अपनी बातों को लिस्टिकल फॉर्मेट में बता दोगे तो एवरीबडी will be interested in your content. Look, nobody has a lot of time, ठीक है. तो आपको क्या करना होगा, लिस्टिकली लिखना होगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 5 hacks to go viral, 5 productivity hacks to grow yourself, whatever. You need to make sure that you are adding some numbers and making that number fulfilled as you promise. Okay, then the final is D, which stands for demand of that particular topic you're talking about in your post. Demand is important. If you are sharing content which has no demand, जिसकी ज़रूरत ही नहीं है, वो सिर्फ आपको लग रहा है कि ये शेयर करना चाहिए, तो it is not going to make any sense. This is why I say hold strategy is very important strategy when you want to actually increase your post views and go viral on LinkedIn. Hold and hook strategy have been working with me for a very long time. I call it H square strategy, and if you leverage this, you are definitely going to go viral. But you have to understand this one thing, हर एक पोस्ट में ये सारे formulas tick mark होने चाहिए. Your hook needs to be statistical. Your hook must having storytelling. Your hook come from problem and solutions phase. Also the teaser hook or challenge hook. And now I'm gonna tell you what has worked for me. For me, combination of hooks works the best, and I use it very nicely. For example, I want to use statistical hook, but I want to do storytelling, so I'll just combine it. And if you want to use ChatGPT to leverage combination hooks, you can tell these hooks to ChatGPT and it can do the job for you. And that's about it. For your convenience, I have added this particular information in the description so that you can copy and paste for your next ChatGPT prompt and you get the best post written with my help. Thank me later and meet me soon in the next one. Till then, bye bye.